Welcome back to the Tech Surgeon channel, techsurgeon.tv. Today we have another exciting episode, part of our Repairs Around the House series. I'm your host, the Tech Surgeon, internationally known, nationally recognized, and locally accepted. Your licensed and certified IT professional. I fix a multitude of things all the time, and maybe you could benefit by seeing how things are done. Today's patient is right here. The refrigerator. Have a shelf, outer framing of the glass shelf has broken, and that has got to be fixed before the shelf itself fractures and collapses. Let's get into it. I want to turn this camera around so you can see here. Okay, so this is the culprit right here. You see this support has broken all the way in half to hold up this glass shelf. And I better repair this real quick before I end up with broken glass and a special order part that then I'm probably gonna have to wait weeks for it to come in the mail. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this shelf cleared out, and I'll meet you at the workbench, show you what we're gonna do with this. Okay guys, welcome to the lab. I know I might get my head cut here. I know that's a no-no for videos, but it's more important for you to see what I'm doing than to see me. You know, no, that's a no-no. It wouldn't be my first time. But let me go ahead with it. So here is the shelf right here, and there's the break. Okay. Now, it was my idea when I saw this, you know, this had occurred. I knew I had this piece of metal here. I think this came from it's brand new. I think it came from a file cabinet that for whatever reason I did not need the metal strip in. So I figured I would just slip that right in the underside here and take me some liquid nails and go at it. But it looked like my piece is way too long, and I don't think I have a metal shear or tin snip or anything that's going to be strong enough for a piece of metal that thick. I probably got saws, but I don't really feel like going through all of that. So I'm going to come up with an alternative method. Alright, so that is a no. So right fast, I think about, so I wanted to give this thing extra support. That's the whole idea. It's not just to have that glued together, even with something super industrial type glue, but to give it some more strength. If it had more strength under there, it wouldn't have broken in the first place, you know? So the next thing I think about for this size gap that I see under here, pop out a pencil, a carpenter's pencil. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little extra space in there in between, but for the most part, it fits. We're gonna try that there. All right. Now, I was not able to find the nearest store I went to. I wasn't able to find my liquid nails that I wanted, but I was able to find something similar. Okay, so I didn't want to drive to the next store that I knew would have the liquid nails, but I looked around and I found this construction adhesive here. Figured this would do good enough job for what we're working on here. That liquid nails though, I highly recommend it. Woo, that top is tight on there. Let's get a glove. Oh, wow. Okay. We got a white paste here. I'm gonna get something to protect my worktop. Not for me. All right, here we go. All right, I think I'm gonna start simply by gluing the simply by gluing the frame together and then adding the carpenter's pencil to it. Here we go. Oh, let me get a paper towel ready. Take my watch off too. Just occurred to me, maybe I should have wore some protective latex gloves. Too late. Yep, there's this first spot on my finger right there. Right there. All right. Like I got that pretty even on the first shot. Try to wipe away the excess, especially on the parts that will be visible. Make sure you comment for me. What would you have done different? What is there something I'm forgetting? Would you have clamped this together in some way? Let me know what you would have done with this. Let everybody know. Let's get a discussion going. This repairs around the house series of things I'm not the pro about. So help us all out. All right, let's get some glue going in here. Good stream of glue going in here. Or excuse me, adhesive. Construction adhesive. Heavy duty construction adhesive. Gorilla. Now, of course, in all of my videos, even if I don't mention it during the video, I always check out the links because I want to go ahead and link in there exactly what I'm using for this. I want to be as helpful as possible to you, help you get your projects done. All right, here we go. Trying to get the pencil in there with some pressure while not disturbing my alignment that I have already made to the main frame. Pressing down with the pencil. That adhesive should be spreading out under there, so it's not only is it under the pencil, but it's up in the crease some of the sides of the pencil. Okay, that's in there, man. I can feel that is in there. I want to recheck my alignment. Alignment looks good. I see some crack there. I wish I could just simply fill in cosmetically, though. Let's see if I could get some excess from this side. And use it as filler on the other side. Already that feels pretty good. It just got put together. It already feels some strength in there. Okay. Give me a new piece of paper towel. Try to wipe the excess again. You guys probably know something special I should be wiping the excess with. Some kind of oil or something. Hey, this is real life, non-professional, do-it-yourself. Gonna let that dry and cure. I'll see you back. I don't know how long that's gonna take. I don't know if it's gonna be later tonight. I hope it's gonna be later tonight. I don't know if it's gonna be tomorrow. But I'll catch you. Get rid of more excess here. Trying to fill in more crack too. I will catch it when it cures. How about that? Okay, it is the very next day. And we are totally cured here. And the project is cured up strong. Now I wanted to let you know that I did miss a step in filming, and that I came in here in the middle of the night and I saw that it was curing up strong. I tested it, but I wanted some insurance. I wanted to make sure that I was not going to have to do this job more than once. I wanted to make sure that it was more than enough strong as what it needed to be. I wanted to make sure that I didn't put this thing back in to the refrigerator and then have a catastrophe and that it failed again, and then even worse, maybe I put a little extra weight next time, and then not only does this frame fail, but also the glass shatter, which is the whole premise behind this emergency repair in the first place. So what I did was, in the middle of the night, I came here and I could see the carpenter's pencil on this side. Yeah, it was just bare. I could even see the sort of the spaces between the carpenter's pencil and the plastic. So I came, laid down another bead of that adhesive, and then I took that cardboard package that it came in, and I just smoothed it out and laid that round bead down, smooth and flat, filling in all of those spaces, getting it all in. Now you can't see any of the carpenter's pencil at all. That's what I wanted to do. So I laid it all down flat, then I left it overnight. As a matter of fact, I left it like a whole another day because it's now night again, okay? And here I am, making sure I have plenty of cure time. And this is now like the strongest part of the whole frame. So good job. Did exactly what we wanted to do with this. All right, going to reinsert this back into the refrigerator. I'll see you at the fridge. Don't forget to look down in the comments and click on the Weeble app and get your free shares. Got mine, you got to get yours. Let's increase our net worth together. That looks good. That is strong. That's now the strongest part of that whole frame. All right. Nope, that is not the right orientation. I did not even know that was not a square. Thought it was a square. But anyways, and be very careful. This glass is not tempered at all. It will shatter. That is not glass hardened against the shattering at all. Like there's a slight dip there in the center. I wonder if there's something I could do for that. Slight dip there, but it's holding. Interesting. Oh well. For the most part, that is repaired. Another job done. Hope this helps out somebody. If this video, if you did just enjoy watching it, please give me a thumbs up, like it. Or should I say thank you for giving me a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, share with your friends. Share with others who might could benefit from this. I'm so happy this helped somebody out that I took the time to film this. Always on any of my videos, look down in the comments section and check out the links. I typically have links to tools. I'll have links to the stuff I use to do this here. This adhesive that I use to do this. So stay tuned for other important messages. I'll catch you on the next episode. Tech Surgeon. Peace out.